Hello, guys. I'm happy to be here with you on another episode of Learn with Me. On today's topic, we will be discussing some of the possible ways to make your single life work or make it fun. But before I continue, I need you to click on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel yet. I need you to turn on post notification and like this video.
Me, I like my money and I need it like fight. Me, I get my lane and I need it like shots. 247, I dey work for my car. Welcome back, man, Casey.
And welcome back. On today's episode of Learn with Me, we will be discussing some of the possible ways to make your single life work or fun. But first of all, you must know that as a single person, the world has not left you behind. You should know that you must make use of every situation, any situation that you find yourself in, be it when you are single or when you are in a relationship. You must also understand that there are stages in life. So there are some points when we are in a relationship, we are in love. At some point when we are single. So when you are in a relationship, you make use of your relationship time. You make use of it, like you take advantage of it. And when you are single too, you should also take advantage of your singleness. You understand? Now I'm going to tell you few things or few reasons or few ways to make your single life work. First of all, you must know your value as a person. Yes, you as a person, you must know your value. If you don't know your value, there is no way you will know what to do with your life. So you must sit, talk to yourself, find yourself, read, explore, learn things, and then know your value. After knowing your value, then you know what to do with your life. People who do not know the value of their life, or who do not value themselves, I don't know what they're always doing with their life. I don't know what they do with their life, but just guess they're flying like a paper. So you as a person, you must know your value to begin with before you even do anything. Secondly, you must take yourself on dates. Yes. Just because you are not in a relationship anymore, or just because you are single now, you can't go on a date. Maybe going on a date are for people who are in a relationship. No, my dear, it is not that way. You as a single person can take yourself on a date. Go out there. Maybe if you are someone who does not have a friend at all, first of all, take yourself on a date. You go there, sit down, buy yourself a drink, and then somebody will definitely walk up to you there to be friends. And then from that friend, you tell that friend to always invite you for social stuff. So when that friend invites you for social gatherings and stuff like that, yes, events, from there you go and network. Before you know it, you're making use of your single life. So take yourself on a date. Don't stay indoor. Manna will not fall from above when you are inside. So you have to go outside there and explore. Thirdly, you must pick new hobbies. Let's say you have hobbies already. You have hobbies that, yes, these are. When you are single, try to pick new ones. Yes. Maybe your hobbies are one of the reasons why things were not really working out in a relationship. I don't know. But pick new hobbies. That is what I'm trying to say. Pick new hobbies and then compare them to your old hobbies. And then see some of the old hobbies that you have to drop. Yes, and some that you have to carry on, because it's not all that you have to drop and it's not all that you have to carry on. So you must pick new hobbies and explore. So when you pick new hobbies, you take yourself on a date, you find yourself, when you do all this, and you see your single life will be fun. But before you know it, you're already engaging yourself in this. That, like, you do you understand? So you won't even remember that you are single. You won't even remember. You'll just be having fun and be living your life for the time being. These are the three men, not really three men, but 3 out of 5 ways to make your single life work. I want you to stay glued to your camera. Let's go on a short break and I'll be back shortly.
I'm not checking. All I do it is setting. Don't step on me, I'm on pending. All we do is to show them action. I know walking talking. When I go outside, it's a vibe when we throw banga. Kilo veggie shit, baby, my lossa. Say what you want, baby, I offer.
And welcome back, my people. Now I'm going to tell you 2 of the remaining reasons on how to make your single life work, from me to you. Fourthly, yes, fourth, you must commit to yourself. See, after finding yourself, take yourself on a date, pick new hobbies. Then you must commit to yourself. Don't just do the things like, don't just act new for the time being, like for a short time, and then you go back to being the old you. No, those things that you've picked, those things, the way you are living right now as this new you keep it up, keep up with it like that. Commit to yourself. Don't live just like a living. Commit to yourself. When you don't commit to yourself, you find yourself not doing the things that you want to do. You will just be doing the things that you do not want to do. So you have to commit to yourself, and that way your single life will be working for you. You will not be complaining all around. Last but not the least, strengthen your friendship. Come. Most of you do not even care about your friends. See, in this life, you must have friends. Even though you don't like to make friends at all, you don't know how to keep friends, because that is what almost everybody says. Oh, I don't know how to keep friends. You must keep friends, maintain friends, and strengthen your friendship so that your single life can be working too. Because when, okay, let's say you started going on events and stuff, and then you started keeping to yourself, like you don't really care about your friends, do you think they will invite you for more? They will not invite you for more. So you have to strengthen your friendship by always asking about your friends, at least checking up with your friends. Those are the ways to strengthen friendship. Okay, so these are the things I think you should do to make your single life work or fun for you who is single and you don't know what to do with your life at the moment. Let's see. So follow these few things that I said to you, and also check for more in order to know what to do as a single person to make your single life work. I hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to comment on the comment section, drop your thoughts and what you think about this video too. I will be right back again next time with another episode of Learn With Me, because here we are always learning. So bring in topics, let's talk about it. I'm going to go live soon though, on a very good day. I do not know, so I hope you guys will join me on that day. I'll see you again on another episode. Bye.
See my lifestyle, see my lifestyle. Me, I like my lookie and I know they like shouts. Me, I like my peace and I know they like fight.